Good evening, students. How are you today? I am sorry with you because the class was yesterday, but the lectures is go on. So we have to do it today. So here I am to show you what is passive voice. Okay? I suppose it's passive voice. Here is passive voice. Okay? We're going to see today passive voice. Here's the chart about all the times, and you have to change from active to passive voice, okay? You have to use the auxiliary be and conjugate the verb in past participle, okay? Every time you have to use the auxiliary be, as it shows here in the chart. What is passive voice? Let's go to see first what is passive voice, okay? No. The passive voice is used to show interest in the person or object that that experience and actions rather than the person or object that performs the action. Passive voice is used when the agent do is obvious, unknown, unnecessary. Okay? Passive voice is used when the agent is known, but the speaker or writer does not want to mention it. Also, passive voice is often used when the agent is very general, such as people or something. So, passive voice is used when the speaker or writer wants to emphasize a result or emphasize the receiver of the action instead of the performer. Okay? And here are the passive voice rules. As we see, okay, what's the different tenses? Here is it. Press all the times are here, as I show here in the chart at the beginning. And when you have to use passive voice, you have to change the pronouns from active to passive, as more shows here in the chart. Okay? Also, the times is also have to change. So, what is passive voice? It's a generate. In general, we tend to use the active voice. That's when a subject does an action to an object. Does. Somebody stole my laptop. Subject equal somebody. Action is the verb equal stole. The object is equal my laptop. Okay? The passive voice is used when we want to emphasize the action of the verb and the object or of the sentence rather than the subject. This means that the subject is either less important than the action itself or that we don't know who or what the subject is. My laptop was stolen. The object knows the subject. My laptop action was stolen. Okay? And here are the others. In the passive voice, when we know who the subject is, we put it at the end with the preposition by. We can call this an adjective. Passive. The Mona Lisa was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. The adjective is Leonardo da Vinci. In the activity, Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa. You see the difference? So here is that is what you have to do in the activity. You have to read all these readers that I have given to you here and see the video how to, get well vision of what is passive. I have explained right now. You have to look the chart so you can change it. And here is the active. You have to convert the activity that is in PDF in Word. Do the activity, and when you finish, you have to pass the or convert this your activity that is in Word, convert it in PDF. Okay? Here is it. Only 30 from 30, only 3 participates. Well, from here to the next week, they have finished. Here is one. You see, you have to do it here that I can see and correct here. And I write your notes here and the feeding back here. The question is very easy. You only have to know and do it carefully. It's about passive voice. You know that. If you read carefully what is here, if you read carefully the charts, all the charts, and the reading I have right here, you can do it very well and you can get good marks. Okay? Don't forget that. If you want to live, do the work. If you want to die, don't do nothing. And I will be happy. Write it 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? If you want to work, you have to live. If you want to die, don't do nothing. Okay? So don't work. Be happy and do the activity. It's only 1 week. It's up to the another Saturday. Be carefully doing your activity. Okay? See you in the next class. I will be here for you. Thank you very much.